Well, time now for a look at what happened in politics today. Immigration Minister Mark Miller has announced $363 million to address housing for refugees. He says that $100 million of that funding will go to Quebec. It's not clear, though, how much funding will go to the City of Toronto. Miller says that will be announced in the coming days. The Trudeau government is giving Ontario $121 million to combat auto theft in the province. It comes from a $390 million federal fund meant to tackle guns and gang violence. In 2022, nearly 10,000 vehicles were stolen in the Toronto area alone, representing a 300% increase since 2015. This, according to the Canadian Finance and Leasing Association.
Here in the York region, and in many big cities across the country, auto theft is a growing problem and one that's increasingly violent as well.
Conservatives have broken a record for fundraising for a political party, reporting over $35 million in donations in 2023. That compares to about $15.6 million for the Liberals, about $6.8 million for the NDP. As for the Bloc, they raised about $1.7 million, and the People's Party raised $1.5 million. The Greens have yet to file their fourth quarter numbers, but we're standing at about $1.1 million for the first three. And finally, over 400,000 people have been approved for the federal dental care program, meaning they can start seeing a dentist or other oral health provider as early as this May. Starting tomorrow, more letters will go out with instructions on how to apply. They will go to potentially eligible seniors 72 years old and up. To qualify, you must have an adjusted family net income of less than $90,000, no access to private insurance, and have filed last year's tax returns.
This is an area really essential for preventative health. When we think about oral health care, we think about having a happy smile and what that means to our self-esteem and our ability to be in the world. But we also know that it's absolutely essential in the prevention of cardiovascular disease, dementia, and other maladies.